Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, let's start this topic, the third class on it. Okay, so all of you be focused. First of all, um, we have this question. So, integers. So, all must know the definitions of integers and irrational number. I will add one extra part, rational number. Okay, so first of all, integers. So, what are integers? Actually, whole numbers. For example, 3, -5, 6, 8, but 2.5 is not integer, 9.3 is not integer. So whole number are called integers. Integers can be positive and can be negative even. Now let's talk about rational number. Rational number are numbers which are by P by Q form. So rational numbers of the form P by Q, form P by Q. If you want to see some examples, like 3 by 2, like 7 over 11, like 5, like 11 over 8, like these kind of numbers. Okay, they are called rational numbers. I hope so you got the idea. Now, irrational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers are dot number, irrational numbers. For example, you cannot write, you can't write in the form P by Q form. You can't write P by Q form. So this is called, for example, root 2. You can see that. Look, and you please do it parallel with me. If I give you, for example, 5.2, check. I'm sure 5.2, if you press the button, it is converted into 26 over 25. 26 over 25. So this number, you convert it into P by Q form. So it means this 5.2 is what? Rational number. But if I say, please, same way, type root 2 and try to convert it, you will not get P by Q form. You will not get it. Like this form, you will not get it. I hope so you got it. This, you get a 1.414 like that, okay? Root 2 is 1.414. So it means this is not a P by Q form. So root 2 is called what? Irrational number. Root 3, don't say root 4, okay? Even pi is called pi number, is such a number you cannot convert into fraction form. So these numbers are called, I am sure you're understanding what is going on. Now, how to write it? He made two circles, integers, he writing here. So what is integers? We have seven integer and nine, and wait a minute, please. Yeah, 9.3 is a rational number. Okay, so okay, root 8 is an irrational number. Irrational circle of P. Pi is irrational number. Okay. Now you can ask, what about 5/9? It will not go circle of A, not circle of B. Why? Because not integer. This is 5/9, not integer, not irrational number. This is rational number. So I must write somewhere in the middle. Okay, what about 9.3? When you press 9.3, it converted into P by Q form. So you know it very well. It becomes 93 over 10 actually. So it means a rational number I'm writing outside 9.3. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all covered. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So you understood well, this part is done. So at this especially you learn some basic properties. You learn integers, you learn rational number, you learn irrational. Regarding integers, I want to add in your knowledge very important thing. Integer, there are two kinds of integers, okay? Few integers are positive and few are negative, okay? But zero is integer, no doubt about it, but zero has no sign. So you will not count zero as a positive or a negative. If he asks you integer, you will include zero. But if he asks you positive integer, you will not include zero. So zero is not positive or not negative integer. I hope so you got a point. So if he asks you integer, then you must write 0. But if he asks you positive integer or negative, then you will not write 0. I hope so you got a point very clear, all of you students. So this is extra knowledge. And now I talk about a lower question. You can see this is a complement on the top, a small complement. So what is a technique? Maybe some student getting issues. So what I do then, I make two diagrams, as you know my habit. Okay, I will make two circles. Okay, I'm going to do it now. Wait a minute. And if you're 100% confirmed, then do directly. Otherwise, don't try directly. Here C complement, here D, and the middle U. What is C complement? Students, C complement, except circle of C, shade everything. It may shade outside. And what is D? D means circle of T shading. And what is U stand for union common and uncommon elements. So common part is this. So I'm going to shade it on the top. And uncommon is this part is uncommon. 1 point shaded, one is not. So I will take it. And outside we have shaded, we don't have, it's called uncommon shading. So I will take it. And this is my final answer. I will leave, except this white part. Now I'm teaching today a new thing. Both white part in both sides will never take it. This simple technique. Whenever union comes, union I talk about. Intersection is very simple. Common shading we take it. Union, I tell you shortcut technique. I taught first common and uncommon. But today I'm telling a shortcut technique. Both side white part, don't take it. For example, this white part here, but not here, but I will take it. This white part here, but not is this, I will take it. Only this white part on both sides, I will not take it. I hope so you got my point. This is another way of teaching the concept and learning the concept. This is what you have many things inside. Okay, then what is technique to do this kind of question? Again, I will make two diagrams. Okay, so let's try, let's see how we can answer it. So you know what, student, I tell you. Okay, now problem is that you can change the places even. Means you can bring F complement before. So I write it here, E intersection G here, and F complement here. I repeat my words. This F complement, I'm writing it here, and E intersection G, I'm writing left hand side. Okay. Now, what is common between EG? E is here, G is here. This is common members. So I think you got my point, what I'm saying. Okay. And what is F complement? F circle is right side circle. This circle is F. I mean, this circle is F. Except this circle shade everything. So I hope so you got a point very clear. And now what is the middle is intersection. What is the common part? Common part is, wait a minute. Common
Sir,
part.
for E intersection G, it's gonna be different, right?
Yeah. Intersection is something different. And wait a minute. Okay, I think I can do it that way. 1 minute. We're getting here, not common, no problem. So then look at here, students. Okay. I'm trying this the way what he's asking from us. G intersection, and I hope so you will get it now, inshallah. So what is a G, students? G means only members of G. So I will shade the whole circle of G. Done. Okay, now what is this one? If you are confused, we will do what? No problem. We will make another diagram. So, and this is, I think, if you're expert, you understand what is he's asking here, intersection. And E, I'm writing it here. Actually, you know, this is another problem we have here. If I have okay, although I can make it 3 circles even or 2 circles, no issue at all. But I can 2 circles, I can make even. So Jacob, just sake of understanding. E, what is the E, student? So E means shade E part. Done. F complement mean except F, everything shaded. What part is a common between student is so simple. I'm going to show you here. Okay. Common part is, sorry, this is a common, yes. So it means this part. And this is you'd learn with from me, but today I'll teach again, inshallah. So this part is coming here. So for example, this is this part, okay, I'm showing in a blue color. So I hope so clear now. This is it is the same I shape make it. Even if you make it 3 circles even here like that, no effect will come. Same answer will come. Now this is a E intersection F complement and here G. Then what is common between them is a very clear sense. This is common shading. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is my final answer. And I hope so you got the point very clear. Yes, we're now question 1935. We have to try. I think it is not visible, clear. Okay, so I'll make it this way. Question number 35. This is a question, I think so. You can see the full question now. Okay, and try this question now. But before you start, you must know what is odd number. Even odd number concept must know. I give you concept, then you try. Even number are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, like that. And odd numbers are those which are not divisible by, okay, not divisible by 2. Like a 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. I hope so got my point. Square numbers are those numbers which are square numbers, like a 1 to power 2 is 1 to power 2 is 1. 2 to power 2 is 4, 3 to power 2 is 9, 4 to power 2 is 16. So 1, 4, 9, 16 are square numbers, but in this set, we don't have 16, so I will not take 16, okay? So 1, 4, 9 are square numbers. I hope so clear. What is multiple of 3? It means table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 6, 3 fours are 12. But 12 is not in the set of universal. I will not take 12. I hope so you got a point. Please take your time and try to solve this full question. And then inshallah, I will do rest myself. Let's start solve now. First of all, this question is very easy, but still I observe that some problem students me getting. I do look again. And Alhamdulillah, after receiving the solutions from students, I realized that students still need some practice, but no problem. Inshallah, we'll do. This F you copy on the top. This G complement copy here or right hand side or bottom. And this sign that come union. Okay. No, wait a minute. No, wait a question number. Okay, here. So union. So when I make it here, union here, what is the F? Every person knows about it. F means circle of F. Circle of F is left-hand circle. Done. Okay. And G complement circle except G circle shade everything. Now, what does union stand for? Common, uncommon. Like this part common, I will take it. And this part is here, but not here, but I will take it. And outside shaded, but not out shaded here, I will take it. And this is my answer. And what I've seen, some student doing what? They're missing this part here. Like they're keeping empty this part. No, in union, I discussed just now recently that both white part, you will leave white part. Remaining everything you will shift. In union, I'm saying union especially. So this part is clear. And now let's talk about this one. As I shared with you the concept of the even number and square number and an odd number. So I believe you got a point very clear. So these are square numbers, so I'm writing it now, okay? All of you get ready. For example, odd numbers. So odd numbers in the above universal set are 1 is an odd number, 3 is odd number, then 5 odd number, 7 odd number, 9 odd number. I picked from here. And square numbers are those numbers, for example, 1, 4, 9, and that's it. Multiple of 3 means what? Multiple of 3 means what? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. That's it. Now I have to fill the values. First of all, best technique, start from the common part. And 9 is common among all 3 circles. After this, you think about AB. Concentrate AB. AB means first two circles, first two sets, sorry. Except 9, I taken already. What is common further? 1 is common. So it is very clear. I'm writing 1 here. And I tell you techniques, students always start from middle part, then you think about this, then you think about this, and then you talk about this and this and this part, and finally you think about outside. Okay, so let's talk about A and C common. A and C. A is a top circle, C is a bottom circle. What is common between them except 9? Except 9, other common number is 3. And I believe you're understanding, so I'm writing here 3. Now, what is common between BC, last two circles? There's nothing common except 9 and 9. I wrote already common region. So nothing common. So don't write anything. Some students write 0 here. Wrong. You can't write even 0, students. Make sure. Okay, this is done even now. What is the rest one after filling this all middle part? I repeat my words, all middle part over. Now talk about A here. Or A members. So you check it that. Is this 9 done over, 1 done over, 3 done over, 5, 7 left. What left? 5 and 7. So I hope so you got the point, 5 and 7. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Sorry, comma, you don't write better. So 5 and 7. Write in space. B. Now B members are 1, 9. I already taken. So what left? 4 left. I should write it here. Must write it here. And 3 and 9 I taken already in circle of C is a 6 left. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I think up till correct. But now we talk about outside. Check, is this 1 gone used? Correct, sir. 2 is used in the circles? Not at all. So write 2 outside. What about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 3 is here, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is not used. I will rate 8 outside. And 9 is already used here. I think now you understood. Some student I observed as a teacher that they missed these some numbers, especially they missed these numbers. Okay, so I think point is very clear. Now let's talk about the last part. He said that another number is included in universal. I repeat the sentence. He is saying another number is included in universal, like a 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. After 9, he adding some more number. I don't know what that number is. And this number is in the region of this. It means this is the region. Which region? I don't know which region now. So when you are not confident which is this region representing, then best technique I taught many, many times. This is the best technique to get 50% chapter or more than 50% chapter. We can do by shading the concept. This will help you a lot in many, many aspects, many, many angles. Okay. So I'm writing A complement here in section and B in section C. Repeat, A complement here, B in section C here, and the middle sign, you know it very well. I'm copying here. Now, what is A complement? Except the circle of A, shade everything. So I believe all of you understand it. What is the common between B and C? Circle, B, circle. If you're not understanding, make separate. Make separate. This is common between them. So in this way, you can understand easily, oh, this part is common. Now, what is a common region, common shading? You see, I make it because it's common. Common, this is a common part and this is a common part. I believe you got it. It means I'm getting this region. So this is my region R I'm looking for. Now what the number can come here? Make sure what is this set circle. B, what is actually, can I say this is a common between B and C? Correct. I repeat my words. Is this section common between B and C? Yes. So B and C, which number which is common between both? Like which number is a square number and multiple of 3? Look, the way of thinking. Again, repeat. This is a common, R is a common between B and C circle. It means such a number which is common between circle of B and circle of C, or set of B, set of C. It means such a number which is a square number and it must be multiple of 3. Now multiple of 3 and square number, interesting. How to get it? So let's try. So multiple of 3, I'm writing 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3, okay. And square numbers are 1 square 1, 2 square 4, then 9, then 4 square 16, 5 square 25, then 36. Up till here, except 9, nothing matching. So I have to go further, multiple 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 27, 3 10s are 30. Up till here, no resembling. Okay, okay. Now, I think 3 33 and 36. Oh, it matches. So it means such a number which is a square number and multiple of 3. So 36 is a number. So this R region, the number value we're looking for is 36. Little bit tough it was, but I hope so. You got it very well about the concept. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and let's go for the next point. Yes, student, now I'm starting word problems. This is a second last part of chapter, and then I will go for the 3 diagram. Oh, this is also word problem, fourth idea, but for 3 circles. Now I'm reaching to 2 circles. Okay, I will try to finish inshallah today. Let's start. How we can do this kind of question? This is a question number 33 in the worksheet. Okay, in this worksheet, an year number you can check it. October 12, 42 variant question number 9. I'm discussing. So let's first of all, I will tell you technique. I'm reading this question. Universal is 25 students in the class. Yeah, okay. F student, those who study French. S, those who study Spanish. 16 students study French and study French, and 18 student. Okay, it means 16 French study only. Sorry, not only. 18 Spanish. Okay, and 2 students neither study any one subject, like they don't study. It means neither means not come in any circle. 100% clear, 2 will go outside because not coming in the circle. Now I tell you, whenever you're dealing this kind of question, always start from the common part, from here. Check in the question something given regarding this, not given. If given, I'll start from here. If not given, then I will assume X, and I will assume the middle part as a X. Okay, now interesting part is going to come. Once again, one important thing here. This is a circle. Let's say there are 16 French, 16 students studying French. Okay, if I take one element outside, one person outside, so here must be 16 minus 1. I think got idea. If I take 2 students outside, for example, 2 students outside. So what is here? What is portion come here? 16 minus 2. Okay, if I write it not 2, if I write, for example, 3 students, 3, here should be 16 minus 3. Because, okay, actually there are 2 parts. One this part and one this part. They are totally independent, separate are there. For example, I write here 4. What I'll write here, 4, 16 minus 4. Okay, let's last line. If I write here X, I'll write here 16 minus X. So it means I assume, say X. So French total are 16, full circle 16. Because I taken this as an X, so what is here? 16 minus X. And repeat, Spanish are totals full circle 18. I repeat my words. Full circle of Spanish are 18. So if 18 and this x gone, what is member here comes? So naturally this become 18 minus x. This is a way to write it. I hope so you got my point some extent. And now he said that 25 students all together in the class. So can I say student 2 plus 16 minus x plus 18 minus x equal to 25. Actually, I added all numbers and I put them equal to each other. Why? Because you know that universal means sum of the all things. So let's try to solve it. This x and x cancel out. So 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6, 36. And minus x come from here. And now x go right side, 25 come left side. So x is coming 11. So 11 is the middle part. So 11 come here. And now, you know, students, what I can do? I can make it all fill the values. See? So look at here. Look at here. When I plug in 11 here, so 11 come in the middle. When I plug in 11 here, out of 16, 11 subtracted, I got a 5. When I plug in 11 here, out of 18, 11 gone, I got a 7 and 2 outside already. This is a very clear approach. I hope so you understood. Now he's asking, what is F complement? And you know what does N stand for? Number of members. So F complement means accept F, shade everything. Sorry. Accept F, take everything, don't take F. I mean to say don't take and take everything. So it means take everything, take everything. Same story here. So take accept the circle of F, take everything. If I look at F shaded now, what left behind? You can see two numbers. One is 7 and one is a 2 and add them. So answer is coming here 2 plus 7. So 9 students are those. Some student thinks that there are two L. Just make sure students, these are the number of students, So this is 2 is not a member. 2 people are there. This 2 represent what? 2 people. There 7 means what? 7 students. I hope so clear. So there are total 9 students, those who's not studying. You know how to read it, this one? Not French. Not French. So those students not study French. It's called 9 students. So it means like that. And how to read this one, student? F in F intersection F. I show you. This is a very clear F intersection F. So can you say this is a F intersection S, student? Yes, exactly. There's a F intersection S. But he said no. Don't take this one. Don't take this blue area. Take the rest. So don't take blue area means don't take 11. Take the rest. So don't take 11 and you can add them all. Don't take 11. Okay. So 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So I hope so. The point is very clear. And I'm going to give you a question to practice. But make sure you know what is the best technique. Always start. First of all, what data given by him, you will keep your eye. Is this middle part given? Okay, not given, assume X. As I can see that this is asking, so we can keep. So I hope so you got the previous question very clear. Now please take your time and try question number 34, and then I will do this question myself. So have a look here, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, how to start this question. I said before, always check it. If the given element in the middle one given, the okay, otherwise start like X. E stand for English parents. F stand for French parents. So we do what is English parent? Total full circle is 15. 15. If this X gone, so how much left behind? 15 minus X. And French parents are total 9. Out of 9, X gone, so 9 minus X. And you know what this means? Some students can stuck in this. What does this mean? If you stuck, I tell you one thing. For example, let's say, yeah, let's say this is union F. Okay, I make it E. What does E union F, students, mean? E union F means both circles. Look, I'm shading both circles, both circles, both circles. He said, no, 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 take complement of this. See, is there complement on top or not? Clear? So complement means don't take this shading. It means I will shade what? I will shade outside. I will shade outside. Outside full is called that one answer. So it means outside. So short story, this 33 will come outside. I mean to say outside here. I think our idea is very, very clear. Now he's saying that there are universal. How many people are there? Students are there? 50. I think I can do it easily for now. I'm writing it below 15 minus x plus 9 minus x plus 33 equal to 50. I took all members equal to 50. So this x cancel out. 15 plus 9 is 24, and 24, 33 add. We got a 57. 57 minus x equal to 50. So 57 minus 50, x goes there. So x equal to 7. It means I will make another diagram, and that is a final diagram from us. Okay, where to make it? Okay, I'm making here. Okay, how many members are in each part? So when I plug in 7 here, I will get a 7 here. When I plug in 7 here, 9 minus 7 give you 2. When I plug in 7 here, so it is giving us, wait a minute. So students, 8 coming here because 7 out of 15, 7 gone, 8 comes. So this is E and this is F. Now what our first question he is asking? E intersection F, the common part. So 7 answer. So this is I part answer is 7. Then he asking, what is this? This is a very, again, disturbing this kind of thing. And now I think you understand. Union stand for, you remember union stand for, accept both white part, I will take everything. So if you confuse what to do, the no problem, inshallah. I think this is the best way. It is time consuming some time, but give us surety of our solution. Look, I'm doing it. E complement here and F here and union here. E complement mean accept circle of E, shade everything. Look, I'm doing for you. And what is F circle means? Circle of F means full. And what is a common? What is union stand for? Common and uncommon. So look at it. This white part except I will take everything. If you're not understanding, I just make it final form. Because I know you are just learning stage. That is why. What is common shading? Common shading is left, right hand side move, half moon. And this is common, uncommon, I will take it. And this is the outside shading, but not here, but I will take it. And what is answer? It means students accept this part, take everything. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 33 give you 42. I hope so you got a point. Let me recheck. Let me recheck. Is it correct or not? This is my answer. Let me recheck. X 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 30, 42. I think so. The point is very, very clear. Yes, student, this is an example of 3 circles. Now let's start word problem 3 circles. Okay. Let's say M for mathematics, P for physics and chemistry. I just give you idea. And these are represent number of students. Number of students represent inside. Okay. Number of students. For example, in a class, 3 students take, you know what is this? 3 students take math, physics, and chemistry all. Okay, these 2 students take, you know what? Okay, let me write first numbers, then I discuss with you. 1, then I take 4, and let's take 6, 7, and here I take it 8. You know, student, this is a very important concept. If you not understand this concept, then it's very hard for you to manage. So I believe, inshallah, you will understand. You will give me full attention. You know, technically, if I say that, first of all, let me explain what these 3 people who take math, physics, and chemistry all. If I ask you all subjects, So student who take all subjects. So say, sir, 3 people take all subjects. If I say mathematics, I did not say only mathematics. Make sure I will write 2 words, mathematics and only mathematics. Very interesting. Mathematics means a circle of maths, this full circle of maths. So add them. So 6 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 15. So 15, it means 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5. So I repeat, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 15. So 15 student math. Look, I say mathematics. Mathematics means circle of full mathematics circle. But when I say only mathematics, very interesting. This is only one person. I hope so got a point. Okay, same approach, same approach. I will go for physics. So physics means full circle of physics. So I will take 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. But if I say only physics, so only physics is this 4. You know, you can answer, why not this 5? Problem, these 5 people are those who take math and physics together. So he said, no, 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 I need such a student who take only physics. So it means 4. And now if I ask you chemistry, I did not say only chemistry, I said chemistry. Chemistry means circle of this complete circle of this one. So I'm writing 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. If I say only chemistry students, only chemistry, then this 7 is only chemistry. If I say a student not take a single subject, okay, so no subject at all, it means 8. Where 8 out of circles? And I believe this point is very, very clear, and you should take a screenshot of this because this concept is very. Yes, student, let's start this question. And this is a question number October 2008, paper 4. And this paper I'm doing now. Get ready, October 2008. Paper 4. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is a very good question. 42 like swimming. 42 like swimming. Where is swimming? Swimming circle is this S swimming. Let me tell you, this complete circle of swimming. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. If I say 42 like swimming, so if I add them all equal to 42. I think clear. So I'm writing it now. 12 plus 17 plus 8 plus P equals to 42. So this one I think you can calculate easily. So this will add and subtract from 42. So it means 12 plus 17 plus 8. It is giving 37 students. It goes there out of 42. So this 542 minus 37, it is coming 5. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I think you got my point. So P, I got it in no time. Okay. Now line number 2, very important. 40 students like one sport. Before I start, I want to discuss one thing. You know, this in the middle is called all 3 sports. Make sure. This is called 2 sports. This is called 2 sports, 2 sports. And this is called only basketball, only football, only swimming. It means 1 sports. If he say that only like 1 sport, 40 people. So it means 8, Q and 20. I repeat, 20 plus Q plus 8 equal to 40. You ask, why added also? Reason, because only swimming is called 1 sport. Only football means 1 sport. Only basketball is called 1 sport. So I will take them all equal to 4. And I hope so clear. So it is 8, 28 goes there. 40 minus 28, and this becomes 12. So I hope so. The point is very, very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now we are looking for R. R is outside. And let me tell you the total numbers here in the, so 100 students are there. You see, 100 students all together in a whole diagram. So if you add them all is equal to 100. It means, look at here. Now you have the PQ values also. If you add them all, so answer. And so what is answer? What I know, if I calculate all, these answers are total 100. And from 100, if I add, So let me count. 20 plus 25 plus 17 plus 12 plus 8 plus p value 5 plus q value 12. I get 99 students. I added all numbers. I got 99. And R value is 1. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Point is clear. So PQR, we done 3 marks confirm. How many students like 3 sports? So all 3 sports people like how many? 17 people. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe is not a hard job. Easy. But here, basketball and swimming, but not football. I repeat. Basketball and swimming. Look at here. Look at here. Can you see basketball? Look, swimming of circle and swimming of basketball. So basketball and swimming mean both circle. But at the same time, he said, no, it's not football. So football means football gone, football gone, football gone. Even so, it means these 3 values. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. So I repeat again, technical is mean that all people do basketball and swimming, but not football, because these people are like football also. So that is why not. So what is answer is 20 plus 12 plus 8. And I got wait a minute, I got 8, let me check. 20 plus 12, yeah, it become 40 students. So 40 students are those who like, wait a minute, those who like what? Those who like basketball. Okay, I think idea is clear. Last 2 parts and then question finish. What is this called, student? B complement. It means except B, shade everything. Except B means what? Except circle of B, take everything. So it's not a hard job. I will add P, Q, 8 and R. So I'm adding, student. P is 5, Q is 12, R is 1 and then 8. And my answer is coming 26. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. And now this part is a little tricky. If you stuck and you don't know what to do, again, same magic, same technique. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Inshallah, I believe you'll understand. B union F come here, S complement come here. There are 3 circles. Let me check circles. Okay. 3 circles. So 1 circle, 2nd circle, 3rd circle, 1, 2, 3. And where's S? S is below. S is below. S means complement, accept S, take everything. I repeat my words. Accept X, accept this one, take everything. Take everything. And B union F means common and uncommon, both circles. And in the middle, you have an intersection. So which part is common, my student? I make it black color. This part is common, see? This part is common, see? This part is common. And rest not common. So it means very clear approach. So I will take these 3 values. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm writing here. 20 plus 25 plus Q, and Q value is 12. And let me check it. I hope so. The point is very clear, and answer is 57. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now say, sorry, 57, I have to write not up here, down. So 57. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And I'm giving you 2 questions homework, first of all, and both questions are available on my YouTube channel. Okay. So first of all, I give you 3 questions here. We have a 3 circles question in which you can ask you. First question is here, last worksheet. I suggest you those 2 questions specially. Especially question number 37, you can write it. Question number 37. This is a 37. It came in a June 1743, question number 10. So this is available on my YouTube channel. You can find it from there. And one more question. Wait a minute, please. I saw the question of the, drama class. Yeah, this question. This question, which paper? Is October 12, 41 variant, and in this worksheet 32. So in this worksheet 32 number and 37 number. So I hope so. Inshallah, you can do this